It's interesting as estate planning in terms of a concept. It's a bit like the word culture on campus is for graduate recruitment. It's one of those words like, again, like succession planning that gets bandied around far too much. I'm not sure that everyone actually understands what it is. For some, they can go to a lawyer and they can get a will. In fact, you can get one at a post office, a $99 legal will kit. However, that's fine. Most of our clients don't actually comprehend until we have that discussion that all of their wealth's actually been moved into superannuation funds and trusts for asset protection and tax optimisation strategies, and that's all fantastic. But as a result of that, the owner, the at-risk individual, has no assets. Often the house is in the spouse's name, all the assets are in trusts and super funds, so their will actually means nothing, because in the event that they die, well, they've got nothing to will onto anybody else. And that's a big shock for a lot of our business owner clients. So a proper estate plan would actually factor in how we're going to transition succession of trusts and superannuation funds onto those that we want to transition onto, and in such a fashion that it's tax effective and it goes to them without risk of matrimonial or commercial issues occurring to the recipient. So it's a very structured approach, and it's not, as I say, just about a will. You end up having, well, most people don't just die. They get sick, they get unwell, they need to be cared for. So things like powers of attorney are really important in the process. And properly structured, you can make sure that wealth can transition to who you want it to, free from unnecessary tax, and you're setting the next generation up with the right sort of structure so that they can operate successfully without causing undue risk.